assume that in your city, Reliance store is there. Reliance store is there. Or Bajaj Electronics is there. Okay, like multiple Reliance store is there. In the Reliance store, how the customer is coming, the customer came, responding, take care of that person, and convert that person into the sale. Like is Ambani is doing that activity?
No, sir.
No, right? No. Even believe me, just in front of my Trivanam, Reliance Electronics or Reliance store is there. Reliance is there. Ambani never visited that store. I know. Never visited that store. Even opening day also, he never going to come. Because he has thousands of stores across the country. He never visited that store. But still, the business is going on or not?
Yes.
Yes, friend. If I require to do everything, man, I have to take care everything, then he never be Ambani, he never be like Asia's richest person. Remember that. Have you ever heard about KFC, your favorite KFC? Gully coat on Gully coat on Everywhere you can go there, you can go everywhere. Same taste by default will be there. Okay, just a 1% or 2% plus or minus, same taste by default you are going to get. Believe me, the KFC owner, he never visited, okay, this stall. Even the employee of this KFC store, you don't know at least who is the owner also. You don't know who is the owner also. He never had a talk. If you want, you can cross check, man. You people are working. Suppose you are working in IBM. Who is the owner of the IBM? Have you ever talked with that person? We can tell very proudly for 10 years onwards, 15 years onwards, I'm working. Have you ever talked with the owner of that person? Is the owner aware your presence? That is the way of handling big businesses kind of thing. If everything I require to do that, okay, some cookie is not coming, I'm responsible to cook. If the sweeper is not coming, I'm responsible to sweep. If you have this type of mindset, then automatically you will be there only. I told one wonderful example. Last time I went to my native place regarding my own function, just last month, the 24th around, I was there only, right? My friend and my sir, my cousin, 3 to 4 members, we went to pursue just to do the tiffin. Then my sir told Durga, this hotel is too good, it seems to be now. There is a junction is there, too good. Yeah, crowd is also observed that like. Then yeah, wonderful, doing well like I told. Then he asked her, Durga, maintaining hotel is not that much easy. Suppose cook is not coming, compulsory owner should be in a position to do cooking activity. If the sweeper is not coming, compulsory owner should be there to do sweeping activity. Compulsory owner should be there to collect up bills, all those things. Then only we can start the business. Otherwise, we should not. Then, in my inner feeling, okay. So, just if you have such a type of mentality, if that person is going to grow, can you please confirm? Is that person is going to grow?
No.
No way. No way. Array, if the one cook is not coming, better to arrange another cook. Or better to arrange two cooks. One is primary, the second one is the secondary. So, secondary person is going to provide support for the primary. If the primary person, there is a problem, secondary person is in a position to handle the situation. So, if one person is not good, better to identify the next person. But don't do that activity on your own because your level is the different. Your buyback rate is the different. That buyback rate is the very different. If you costly your costly resource doing low level activities means your growth by default will be come.